What happens next? I wonder. Well, if you've been listening or watching these videos the past days, you'll know that after that significant pump we had a couple days ago, started a couple days ago, it's smack dab at the beginning of an alpha trading live stream at traditional market open. You'll know that in the run up to that open, I said before the run up to that open, earlier in the day, that we would very likely see, because it was a trending day on a trending week, we would see some nice trending movement in the run up to traditional market open on things like the 15-minute time frame and lower. And sure enough, that's what we saw. Not because I have some crystal ball, but because I read the VEPs. You know what the VEPs are? It's volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics. And so we can tell with a very high degree of certainty what the probabilities are of the tendency of the price action going one way or the other, right? Or sideways. Right? That's always an option. And well, boy, did it move, right? Over a 24-hour period or so, it went up 10, 11%. And other coins and other assets, even in traditional markets, also saw some very nice moves that day. And what did I tell you, as I so often say, would be the most important thing to do during the movement up or down? Take profits early and often. Don't, the market will take it away from you. And you saw, of course, even though the majority of people on that particular day were over leveraged shorts who got wrecked, nevertheless, you also saw about 10% of the over leveraged positions that got wrecked were in fact long. How did they get long and get wrecked? Well, because the tiny little pullbacks of like not even 1%, and a 0.5% pullback when you're 100x, and many people do, which is crazy. I know they do it. When it moves 100%, 1%, and you have 100x leverage, you think, oh, I'm still good for 50%. No, you're not, because the house fees, right, the exchange fees, take an additional 0.5%. So it moves. If it moves a 0.5%, it's actually moved 1%. And when you're at 100x, 1% equals you're wrecked. Right? If it goes the wrong way against you. Now, of course, if it goes the right way and you're in the money, good for you. Moves 1%, you just doubled your money. Fantastic. And if it's going 10% and you were in that position, now you're up 10x on your opening position. Fantastic. What should you do? Hang on to it? No, you should take your profits, right? And most people don't, and that's why they get wrecked, right? They close their position. Oh no, and the ones that don't close their position, right? Those are the ones who get wrecked, because those wait for that volatile asset to come around, and it does, and it will just eat their profits away. And what's happened, in the last candles? And you saw some nice movements up with wicks to the top side. They got pushed back down. And then in the last candle of, what was it? Monday? Tuesday? Tuesday. You saw the candle actually come down a little. 0.5%. Enough to wreck some people, that's for sure. And you can see that it did. If you look at the liquidation positions, people got wrecked going long at the top, which is never a good idea. Right? You don't buy the tops and sell the bottoms. Right? Buy low, sell high. That's the whole game. If you don't know how to do that, you probably shouldn't be trading. And that's a bit of friendly advice It is not advice. That's just a bit of friendly words to the wise, whoever the wise are. Anyway, good luck to you. Happy trading.